find help. So the Pilgrims invited the Indians to come.
The Pilgrims are coming to celebrate. Hooray! Hooray! The Pilgrims are coming to celebrate Thanksgiving Day. The Pilgrims are coming, so don't be late. We'll eat and dance to celebrate. We'll all be glad, so hurry and don't be late. The Pilgrims are coming to celebrate. Hooray! Hooray! The Pilgrims are coming to celebrate Thanksgiving Day. The Indians are coming, so don't be late. We'll eat and dance to celebrate. I'll all be glad, so hurry and don't be late.
The Pilgrims and Indians feasted and played games, and they sang songs, and they danced, and they told stories, and prayed for how many days?
3 days.
And they shared and gave thanks for so many things at first Thanksgiving. And we're thankful for many things, aren't we? And we want to share some of them with you today.
I am thankful that flowers and trees or else we cannot breathe. I'm thankful for moms and dads because they were there. I'm thankful for my mom and dad because they take care of me. I'm thankful for the car because I'm thankful for all my friends because they play with me and make me happy. I'm thankful for the ground because they help us not fall. I'm thankful for my best friends because we play together and have fun. I'm thankful for my best friend, Nathan Denner, because they play with me and make me happy. I'm thankful for God or else he wouldn't have a life. I am thankful for golf because they made my family, because he made my family. I'm thankful for God because it makes us successful things and we can jump around. I'm thankful for the ocean. I'm thankful for water because if there's no oceans in the city, you can't breathe. I'm thankful for my mom and dad because they buy me all my toys. I'm thankful for my friends because they be nice to me. I'm thankful for my family and friends because they take me and my family takes care of me. I'm thankful for the water. If you don't have water, you'll die. I'm thankful for books because you can learn from them. I changed my mind.
Okay, you can do what are you thankful for now?
My friend Martha.
Okay, say I'm thankful for.
I'm thankful for my friend Martha because she plays with me. Thanksgiving Day is here. Thanksgiving Day is here. Let's give thanks for all we have. Thanksgiving Day is here. For all our moms and dads, for all our families. Let's give thanks for all we have. Thanksgiving Day is here. For all the birds and bees, for all the flowers and trees. Let's give thanks for all we have. Thanksgiving Day is here.
And the great Indian chief and the brave Pilgrim leader, Governor, sat down together to sign a friendly agreement between their people called a
Treaty.
and they kept that treaty and they lived peacefully as friends and neighbors for more than 50 years. So let's have all the Pilgrims and Indians stand up. Okay. And raise your right hand and repeat after me. I promise my people will not hurt your people.
My people will not hurt your people.
I promise my people will not fight with your people.
My people will not fight with your people.
I promise My people will not steal from your people.
My people will not steal from your people.
I promise
I promise
we will live in peace.
we will live in peace.
So now I want you to open up your pouch, and your peace treaty is in your pouch.
I don't see what
Open up your pouch.
I can't open it.
Come here, Helen.
I took it out.
You just have to pull it apart a little bit and take out your peace treaty.
Oh, this is what
You're gonna get a pencil. I want you to sign your name.
Sign your name where it says, if you are a Indian, it says Native American. Sign where it says. It's Native American. Native American. It starts with an N. Just write your name. You write a lot. Yes.
So if you are a pilgrim, you're going to write your name on the line that says pilgrim.
Put it down. Write
Write
your
your name. If you're a Native American,
Write on the carpet.
so then why don't you write on the floor and not the carpet, okay?
That's good, Skylar. What are you?
Oh, you're a pilgrim, so you need to write your name on the pilgrim. Okay, and then you go find a Native American, have them sign on the other line. Did you get a friend to sign her yet? Go find a friend to sign the other side. Just go find a Native American and have them sign their name.
Oh, yeah, they don't have a friend sign yours.
And now for the feast. Okay, they're all eating. Wow. And there's Sam. And there's all our friends. All eating.
Chicken nuggets are coming around.
And here's some of the food. And here's some of the desserts. Wow. Nice cupcakes. And there she is.
I get your corn.